Hi, it's Borna. Today I'll show you how to register, login, logout manually in Laravel. Here I will use Laravel 5.3 framework, but this process is same for Laravel 5.2 and 4.2. So let's start. Here I have a empty Laravel project. If you don't know how to install Laravel, you may check out my video about Laravel installation. So let's open the Laravel project. Okay. Whenever you write any URL and then here's in the browser, first it come in root directory, this root directory, then web.php, and it searching if its URL is match with any URL in web.php. This file is equal to localhost, your project name, then public. You may think this like facebook.com or gmail.com or youtube.com. Okay, so this URL comes first in web.php, then it looks, and yes, if it matches, then it will go to next line, and this line is telling that please go to resources, folders, then views folder, then welcome dot blade.php. Check, we didn't write here welcome.blade.php. Actually, Laravel application automatically add this part .blade.php. You don't need to add this one. Okay, where this file is located, resources, views, then welcome.blade.php, and this one is the view HTML view part, which is showing in the browser. Now copy this, paste. Okay, suppose now you want to access this URL public/home. How can you access that? You write home, because this is equal to localhost, your project name, then public/home. Okay, and home. Since it is matching with this one, then here's this URL, and see, yeah, it's telling that view home not found. Actually, we are getting this error because we didn't create home.blade.php. So let's create this file under views directory, home.blade.php. Save this one, enter. Write something, save, and hit now. We are getting the page successfully. But suppose you want to access resources, views folder, then list folder, then this one. How can you access this one? Just write list dot. Laravel automatically think that last one is a file name and the previous thing is called the folder name. Suppose now you wanna access resources, views, list folder, then another folder named employee emp. So how can we access this directory? Just write list that dot emp, that is list folder, then employee folder, then home.blade.php. Okay, that's the basic part actually. Now let's build a view part for login registration. Bootstrap, not bad. Yeah, we're getting this. Okay, right, click this, copy this one, copy, right, paste, save as home.blade.php. Yeah, and write home and save, and now enter. Yeah, there's the page. Okay, now create a new file called login.blade.php. Paste this one and save. Then come here and forms, bootstrap form. Just copy this container from this div, copy, and yeah, paste this one. Okay, write this one, copy, paste, write sign in, and this one is since login, so login. Sign in. Yeah, if you get the then for registration, register, then register dot register. Okay, since we write this way, so create a folder name register, enter, file, register dot blade dot php, save, enter, copy, the all and paste here. Okay, copy this line, name, sort, then from. Okay, save this one. Right, okay, let's write register, then enter, yeah, then write. Okay, let's see, this part is repeated in every URL, registers, signing, and also in home page. We write this part repeatedly in register.blade.php, login.blade.php, and home.blade.php. But we can use this one only once because it is common in every file. So how can we reuse this one? Okay, see, we will follow this structure. First write, then checkout, create a file name, layout.blade.php, save, enter. Now copy register part, all, cut and paste into layout.blade.php. See, just only this part is changeable for every file, register, sign up, and home page, and this one is common in every file. So just copy this container part, not container part, from here to here, cut. Okay, then paste in here. Okay, then yes, this one is yield content, and extends lowered, then section name content, and this this section is in here, in section. Let's write register. Okay, it's work. Okay, see, whenever you write in web.php, sorry, it goes to register folder, then register.blade.php. okay, it's here, and it is the section part. Here section is open, start, and here section end, and you name this section as content. You can name this as you like. And this one is extends layout. Layout means layout.blade.php. okay, then it comes layout.blade.php, and it will yields the content part here. Actually, it will put all the content part, this content and this section name is same, and this will put this content section here in layout.blade.php. okay, let's see the picture. It will be, I hope it will clear for you. root.web.php. First it come in web.blade.php, and you are telling, yeah, go to register folder, then register.blade.php. then it will come and it will create a section called content. You can change it anything, content. I name it as content. Then it will not show anything, just it will create a section. Then it will extends layout. Sorry, it is layout. If you write layout.layout, that it will go layout folder, then layout.blade.php. so then it come, and here is the part, and then it will put the content from register.blade.php, this part it will here, and finally this will be shown in the browser. So this part is changeable. So do this similar way, just remove this part, since container is already included in layout.php, so we don't need this one. Okay, delete this one. Similarly, copy this one, put this one here, and in the section, yeah, save. Okay, similar way it will also work. Sign in. Okay, it should also work. Now do for home page, remove until this part, then remove this one, since we included this part in layout.blade.php, so remove this part also, and copy similar way from here and put this here, and section. Yeah, it's work. So now see, just we just write this common part in only in liver.blade.php, and we write this content part which is changeable depending the URL in blade.php and login.php, login.blade.php. Okay, now go to blade.php and write something here. This one is about us, location, employee list. Okay, save, and contact list. Okay, save, and now write URL. One thing, please be careful about this one, this line. It is a keyword type word, so don't match, or sorry, mistaken. Write this in right way. Okay, that means obviously you have to write @extends. If you miss s, then it will not work. Okay, we are in layer.blade.php. Okay, URL will be, must be in capital letter, then to which URL we have to want to go. Since it is sign up, or obviously it is register. Copy, paste, sign in. Okay, so go refresh the page. Okay, sign up, so it's coming in register URL, login. Okay, so when you write register, then it is coming home.blade.php, then it is coming register folder, then register.blade.php. Okay, now come here and write from action. Obviously you have to write this attribute. Name is name, or write username. Remember, this name obviously have to same with the database column name. Name, email, then name, password, then name, C, password, save, and from action is register action. This is method is post, since we are submit some inputs. So come and yes, submit. Yeah, we are not getting this because we don't include this URL in the web.php. So write root post, because our method is post. We are submit some values, then first bracket URL name, come here and copy this one, copy, then paste, write register. Okay, before this one we have to make a controller. This is our file folder. Shift, hold the shift key in the keyboard and right click, open command window here. Okay, write PSP artisan PSP artisan make model, controller name, user different controller name. Here I name is as register controller, enter. Yeah, controller created successfully. Actually PSP artisan make controller insert controller. I write this comment in the command prompt, and to open command prompt, shift key, hold shift key, then right click, then open command window here. Okay, go to project, open app, http folder, then controllers. Yeah, it's created empty controller. It is our empty controller. Okay, so write this one, copy and paste, right star semicolon. Okay, this is telling that when we submit, it tells please go to register action URL. Yeah, it's come, it match with it. If it's get, then it will go telling please go to register controllers store function. This one is the function name and this one is the controller name. So here it will come, and since we have not any function name, so write function name public function, then we define here function name is store. You can name it anything, then paste first bracket, second bracket, write something just for test here and save. Come, write register. Okay, submit. Okay, token mismatch exception. Actually we are getting this error because whenever you use HTML form in Laravel application, you should have used hidden CSRF token field, that is after the from input. Since it is hidden field, type is hidden, then okay, its name is token, then value is CSRF token, this first bracket, then okay, refresh this page and again submit. Yeah, it's work very well. Actually this line is used for Laravel makes it easy for the user to protect your application from CSRF attacks. That's why it is used here. Whenever you use HTML form in Laravel application, you should have used this line after from. Okay, so you successfully come this line. Let's get the input from here. Right, data equal to data variable input, I is capital, N is small, input colon except array first bracket token save bottom data, save, go to browser, okay, write something, come, then 1 2 3 submit. Okay, it's telling class app std controller input not found, so actually we have to use this line, use input, save, and the submit, class input not found. Okay, go to config folder, then app.php, write input, copy this line, paste, modify this input, save. Actually all dependency is included this file app.php. So hit this one, right, again. Submit. See, array is 5, token is a long string, username Borna, email borna@yahoo.com. Yeah, actually what is happening when we write something in the input fields, from input fields, and then submit, it can go to register action welcome.php. Then this line is telling please go to register controllers store function. Then it's come, and here is this register controller store function. Then this line is, what is the meaning of this line? This is meaning take all the inputs from the form and accept token field. Okay, then it takes all the input and put in the data variable, and this line is actually showing Bardam, this one. Okay, we are getting the form input successfully, so comment this line, save. Now we will apply Laravel validation here. Okay, register, go to here, write row array first bracket comma then okay, there is a username, so copy this one, paste, record, comma, copy this line, paste, then email, then password, then see password. Okay, email, password, see password, password will be minimum 6. This one is same to password field. And this field will be email. Okay, then write custom message, semicolon, see password dot record the confirm password is record. must be at least 6 characters. Then same core password and post, so must be same. Save. Then vector equal to V capital VALID ERDOR. Then make data comma rule comma message, this one. If fails, then go something. Yes, fail. Equal no. Copy this one and right. Okay. Yes, fail. Okay, like it's fail because I don't danger. No. Okay, if any field is not filled, then it will give error. If it's not 6-digit password, then it will also give, and this password and this password it not same match, then it will give error. Okay, if validator is failed, then it will come same page, so return back in the same page. Sorry, return redirect redirect to register URL with errors, that is this one. Come here and for each start int for each first bracket errors all is error then error and break save. Come here and refresh this page. Okay, missing argument 1 for this one is something direct not found. Okay, come here and save. Yeah, we're getting the error here. This field is not required. Similar way, copy this. See password. Copy paste. Sorry, this one is username. User password. See password. Same. Let's refresh this page. Yeah, this one is record, this one is okay. Yeah, must be at least 6 characters. Okay, one. submit. The command function address must be same. Yeah. And submit. Yes, everything is okay. Okay, if filter not fail, then we have to save this in the database. So first of all, now we'll create a model. To create a model, we have to write this command: php artisan make controller, sorry, not controller, model, user defined model name. Here I will give this name as register, and this command will create a model name register dot php. If we write also migrations, then this will also create a file, create my register something like this. You can write this other way, copy, paste, then migration, create user defined name register, anything name, but I suggest you to write this migration. Okay, copy this line, paste, enter. Okay, model created, also create register table also created. Where is our model? Yeah, this one is our model, and database, this one is our migration file. Actually, migration is a kind of version control for your database. Okay, just go users, copy this one, and okay, not right now. First of all, go to register and create a function, public static, then function name from data from store. Okay, first bracket, right equal, right here model is. Okay, add this register. This register.php model is located in under app folder, so when we add, we have to write this app folder, then model name, copy, paste, semicolon. If browser fails, then go to same page again. If not fail, then we'll call models function here. Okay, so since model name first, so register is our model name, function name is from store, copy, paste, first bracket, semicolon. Okay, come here, refresh, write then submit. Yeah, here model is. Now we want to pass the input from here as argument. Just copy this up to this one, copy, paste, token, okay, token, comma, C password. We don't need to pass C password, comma password, because we don't need to insert this field in the database. So we will not pass token and C password in the model, just other inputs. Okay, then receive this file here, data vardan data, check if we receive the input fields in the model. Okay, go and here's submit. Yeah, in model we get username, data, email, strings, password. Now come in this one, write username, input, get this username, so username, then name, email, input, get email, copy, then password, save. enter. Submit. Okay, we're getting this here. Use input I capital and put. Then refresh. Okay. Submit. Okay, Genia. Why Genia? Oh, okay. Email, then password. You can concatenate this one using dot. Okay. See. Submit. Yeah. We are getting the inputs individually. Okay, comment this one. Now create an object of register model that users new register first bracket comma get and users, and now here will be database column name. It will be same, it must be same. User not name equal to this one, copy paste, then copy this one, email, then password, save. Okay, now come this file, migration folder, then create register file, users, copy this to this, copy paste. Okay, name, email, password. Okay, save. Protected. Protected 80. This line means that register user is the table of register model. If you don't write this one, by default Laravel application think that its table name is registers. That means model plus s registers control registers. But I don't want to use this registers table, so that's why I define here table name as register users. So copy this one and come here and paste this and paste. Okay, now write in the here migration for PHP array sum make migrate. Copy this one. Oh, one thing first off, we didn't create the database yet, so let's go to localhost php my admin. Create Laravel login. Copy this one. Okay, now come UTC general CI create. Okay, it's a empty database table, there is no tables yet. Okay, then come and configure the database in Laravel project .env connection MySQL. Okay, DB host is localhost, ports, database name is Laravel login, username is root, password is empty. Save. Now copy this line, copy, paste in the command field and write enter php array sum okay, it will actually not this one, just this one. Okay, write this migrate enter. Yes, migration table created successfully. Go and refresh the database and see there is password reset, register users. Actually it's intricate, these files, these users, password reset and registers. So here is our registers user. Okay, this remember token actually is not used to for authentication. Actually this remember token is used by the Laravel application to help against remember me cookie hijacking. That's the basic idea actually. Okay, let's go in the model register.php. so here we are receiving this one, and now we will save all the data by this line writing. It will save all the data here we assign, and it will save in register users table. So now go and refresh. Okay, right. yahoo.com and submit. Okay, refresh, but it is issuing plain text, but whenever you try to log in, it will check hash password with this plain password, then it will not match, so it will create a problem. So we have to store password as hash. That's why we have to hash the password, hash mac first brackets, and just use hash simple, and after successfully store, it will redirect to register with success message. Here is the success message, and success message name is success. You can name it anything you like. Here I name it as success. Okay, in view part we will show this one here. Okay, success message. If start, then if int, if session has success, this one copy, then paste. Here will success message will be printed. Okay, let's go and refresh the register URL. Okay, admin, okay, just submit. We get the success message, successfully registered, and see in the database. refresh. Yeah, we are getting the hashed password. It is also for good for security, because hacker will not understand what is your password. Okay, just delete this part. Okay, so our register is successfully done. Now the next part is login. Close this one. In similar way, come here and copy, not there. Okay, copy this line, copy this up to this one, copy and paste, and write this one, login check. Okay, this one is email, name this email, name this password, then submit. Okay, copy, come here, copy this line, copy, paste, copy this line, copy and paste. If you hit this URL login/login_check, then it will go register controllers logins function. Okay, copy then go to register controller, come http register controller. Okay, just public function login, just check it, login function, save, sign in, not login, submit. Yeah, is go to function successfully. So again in the same way, copy this one, just up to this one, copy, paste, write data username, not this one, just sign in. If not valid, then it will go to sign in URL, otherwise it will show data. Come here and refresh. register.blade.php, copy this line, copy, then paste under email input, then come and copy this one, paste, save. Okay, now okay, this one is required. Submit. Okay, we're getting the input. If valid, if the input is valid, okay, come save this one. If auth atom data to home page, else okay, this one and this one comment, just echo yes auth yes match not match. Actually this auth by default thinks that its the model name is user, so in this line what is happening, it is telling that please if user models table column match with this data is register model, this data with this data, okay, but here the table name is users. Remember again, I tell you, whenever we don't define the table name, by default model thought that it's by default table name is model plus s, so its table name is user model name is users. So we can define this here, protected table register but see if we define here table name, it's okay, it will be maybe match, but since we use register model and register models table register users, so we have to made the way that so that auth can understand its table, its model name is register. So to make it auth table, we have to go app.php, sorry, auth.php, then users, so it will be register. Now auth will know its model name is register. Okay, but see, there is something extra here, so copy this up to this one, copy and go to register.php and come here and paste. Okay, so just copy this, paste and comment this or delete, save. Now come here and sign in. App dot not found. Oh, it's okay. We have to write this one, auth, save, then okay, I think okay, we have to write this in this way. Just delete this one, write data, user data, array, bracket, semicolon, the email, input, get, bracket, email, copy this one and paste. Okay, refresh login URL. So what's the problem? Okay, sign in. Okay, GL, so then it's straight in, enter, yeah, not match. Okay, oh, there's no user like this one. Sign in at menyao.com, then Okay, now if user is logging, then he or she can user can see this part, otherwise otherwise user will not see. Okay, so let's go to layout.bread.php. This copy paste logout, and this is logout URL. This one is root get if logout, then it will be use logout, and after logout it will if logout, then it will go to home page, and this one is middleware auth. This line means that this URL is authenticated. That means if the user is not login, then this user cannot see this URL or this option. Okay, and again come to layout.php. If the user is login, then user this see this part only, otherwise not. So if auth user, this one actually give the application to access the authentication users information, then if int f, if let's save this part, and come and refresh. Announcement function web.php 32. Yeah, there will be comma, save, and refresh this page again. Okay, Gia, enter, not match. Okay, not match. This one is also getting reward. If user is login, then user can see this part, otherwise not. Okay, come see that there is no logout option, so login, go to login, admin, and 1 2 3 and enter the password. Okay, where is this one? There's no home, just okay. Logout, again sign in, admin, yeah, there is the file, the now locked user can see, and okay, just log out. If we backpass, then see, we can see the authenticated page. No, we don't know. Okay, so now we want to see the username in login page. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, just come here and go right here. You see verse auth user name, no, there should be cut. Save and refresh. is the username. Just log out, sign up. Submit. You are successfully registered, then login. Submit. Yeah, there is the username and logout. And logout. Yeah, there's the our project. Login, register, and logout. If you like it, please subscribe and leave the comments. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.